Let's learn how to create this. Select some images to add slides. Copy image and paste to slide background. Insert a shape now. Align shape to center and middle of the slide. Change color to white and remove outline from shape. Go to the shape format and change transparent. Text contents can be added in any way you like. Add a large letter and place it to the right center. The number of slides you need should be duplicated from the current slide. Now, change duplicated slides background. Change text content also. Make more slides like this. Now, go to the first slide and change large letter color to white. Then, select large letter and shape. Make combine both in shape format. Now, right-click on the shape and click on Send to Back. Follow the same steps for the remaining slides. Again, change shape transparent to 20%. Follow the same steps for the remaining slides. Now, select all the slides and set rotate transitions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.